Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change League of Legends font to Korean. Alright, so let's begin with the video. You might be wondering how to exactly do this. Well, this one is pretty simple. The first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and open up the Riot client, and you want to go ahead and just log in into your account. Now, once in here, we need to change a few things. So if you want to change the language or the font on your League of Legends here, you need to access the Riot client for this one. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to go to the top right of your screen and click your profile or icon. Go ahead and click on it, and you want to go and click on the settings option. Now in here at the left side, you have Riot client, but you also have League of Legends. Go and click on League of Legends. Now in League of Legends, you want to go to Game Text Language, click on it, and from here, you want to look for Korean. So in this case, this is Korean. So go ahead and click on it. And from here, you could go ahead and just close this one and start playing League of Legends here. So you just need to launch it, and it should now have the desired game text language. So that's basically how you can change League of Legends font to Korean. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.